Hello guys, from a beautiful island, Sardinia, somewhere in the Mediterranean. I arrived here to have a little adventure and yeah, I'm gonna be traveling this place for some time. And so far, it's fucking amazing. Just look at this architecture and like the whole vibe of the city is just great. I really missed, traveling. I missed seeing new places, exploring new cultures, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome time. So I'll be traveling not alone. This time I'm with Dima. You might know him from some other videos. This is like this that unfriendly, rude guy, but he's my friend, so I have to bring him with me sometimes. And this is one of those times. Just look at this view. Look at this. This is huge. And this is the city of Cagliari. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but let's just use Cagliari for now. Wow, it feels so fresh, I haven't been traveling for 6 months now. Yeah, I was like stuck in one place in a small tiny room in Berlin. And today is the first day of traveling. So right now we are somewhere on the top level of the city and we need to go down, but the elevator is closed, so we kind of don't know what to do. Maybe we'll still try to use it, I don't know. No? Wow, just look at this. Birds flying. There are mountains, there is sea, there is like Italian architecture. Like, what else do you need? What else do you need?
I need some food.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And you may ask, why Sardinia, why Italy? Why not? This is beautiful here. And I haven't been here, so I thought it's a good idea to, to explore this area for a little bit, to travel again.
Сюда по-любому дешевые кафешки, припортовые какие-то, знаешь?
Yeah, look at this. Palm trees everywhere, and some, like those kind of trees. I don't know how to say it in English. Yeah, we call it ficus in Russian, Ukrainian, but I'm not sure if it's a good word in English. Ficus. And now we came to a pretty busy street. Probably it's like the main touristy street. Maybe we should avoid it, but at least one time we have to come here and see what's going on. And we've seen this quite a lot here. Some donuts. Donuts with Italian filling. They're also like salty, right?
Yes.
So with mortadella and pistachio.
Yes, look at this one.
Wow. I thought they're only
Octopus
sweet.
and potatoes. You want to try one?
Let's just walk further the road and maybe come back.
It's too sweaty for like a snack. It's a good price.
And after spending 6 months in Germany, I can tell you that it's so calm and so chill here. People are just walking and chilling.
Let's go.
So we came to the street where people are eating and having their aperitivi.
Чувствуешь запах?
Yeah, it smells great.
It smells better than the whole Berlin itself.
Yeah, lots of places where to get food, and we're actually kind of lost because everything looks amazing. Look at this tree and look at this view, sunset. This is crazy. This is everything that I could dream of during the last months, really. Palm trees, sunset, sea. And to be honest, I haven't read much about this place, about this island, but what I know for sure is that this place belongs to the green zone. And green zone basically says that it's really suitable for humans because people live here up to 100 years. Like, people live very long here, people are healthy, and yeah, that's because the climate is perfect, the food is great, and the sunsets are fucking beautiful. And we came to this arbor. I'm not sure if there are any places where we can eat around, but it doesn't matter now. Like
It does matter.
no, it doesn't matter.
I am hungry.
No, I feel great already. Like, I don't need food.
Because he took 2 breads with him and then he ate them all by himself and he didn't give me a single piece. And so now he says it doesn't matter, but I haven't eaten since the morning. And I'm still pretty fucking hungry and he didn't give me a single piece. And now he says, yeah, it's alright, it's okay, I'm not hungry. Well, fuck you.
And the thing is that I offered him, he refused. That's what happened. Don't ever believe this guy.
I hope he get poisoned.
He's a scammer. He's a scammer. Right, we went to apparently one of the best restaurants in Cagliari, according to Google Maps. And we ordered this dish. I have no idea what is it, but apparently it's a local dish, and it's kind of pasta actually. It looks like rice or like chickpeas, but it's a pasta. And there is a huge
Crowfish, it's a crowfish.
crawfish.
It's a crowfish. It's a rak.
Ah, it's a crawfish. Wow. Alright guys, if you're in Sardinia and you're just hungry and you want to order something, don't make this mistake. Don't ever make this mistake. Like, we just went to, like a good place and we thought we're gonna order like a nice meal, proper meal, and the price was 15 euros. And we thought, okay, that's a lot, but our first day here, we can afford it. That's fine. We're just gonna try like some nice local meal, some seafood, and the food was okay. Like, it was not horrible, but the portion was small, and it was like just one crawfish, and that's it. Like it was not not for 15 euros. But then we got offered to order some water. And we thought, why not? Like, we're thirsty, right? And how much like a water can cost? I don't know, like €1, maybe 2. The price for the water was 5 euros.
5 fucking euros.
5
5
euros.
fucking euros for a bottle of water. A little bottle of water.
So we paid 39 euros for a fucking meal for 2 people. Like, usually when I travel, I don't ever go to these restaurants, but we thought, okay, like we're gonna, one time we can try like nice food, but it was a fucking mistake. And don't do this mistake, because there are like nice street food here. It's probably cheap. Like we could spend like maybe 10 euros and
Be full.
But now we are full.
We could have had both the first meal and the second meal and the ice cream, everything for 10 euros. But instead of that, we decided to get a bottle of water for 5 fucking euros.
That's crazy. So for 10 euros, we got 2 bottles of water. Like, how thirsty should it be to spend 10 euros for water? Like, we didn't spend the whole day in the fucking desert. Like, we just, we wanted to have water.
Look, next time we're eating here.
For sure. Oh yeah, kebab pizzeria. That's what we need. That's what we need.
Have both kebab and pizza.
And it feels actually so nice that people are enjoying evening and are so chill, drinking their aperol. That's great. Buongiorno ragazzi. Today is our second day of our journey, and yeah, we just woke up and looking for some place to have breakfast, and it feels amazing. Even the tap water, I just noticed today, tap water tastes great. Like, it tastes so sweet, and so much better than in Berlin. Right, this is the local university, and oh yeah, it's a faculty of architecture. And look, I found the first student here. Ciao.
Hello. Journey's here.
Right, we're having a breakfast like proper Italians, I guess. espresso
Давай, за здоровье.
and 2 pistachio croissants.
Grazie.
Thank you.
Bye.
Grazie mille. Ciao. Alright.
Grazie, arrivederci. Grazie.
Prego. Alright, so we went to this fish store and looked at this. Wow,
What's the...
local fish. So we actually wanted to buy this this can, but it costs what, 20 euros?
What's ask?
Sorry, excuse me. How much is this? One can?
Questa la grande
Ah, la grande?
e questa la piccola.
Piccola. Ok, grazie.
Grazie.
A voi.
Що за 13 euro? Alright, so it costs 13 euros. This small can of tuna fish. Grazie.
Ciao, prego.
Ciao.
Alright, so we spent 20 euros and I think we bought food for our lunch, for our dinner, maybe for our breakfast tomorrow. It's just 20 euros for 2 people. And yesterday? Okay, yeah, let's just forget about yesterday. So today this elevator is working. Oh, it's another one. Okay, yeah. Apparently, like, there are many these elevators here that connect 2 parts of the city. Buongiorno. What is that? Apricots?
Sono nespole, sì.
Nespoli?
Quelle mature sono queste, quelle colorate. La
Ah,
vedi?
mature.
Ce le fate?
Ah?
Ci arrivi?
Ci arrivi?
Ci arrivi?
Ok?
Sì, sì. Mature, prendete le mature. Quella, quella è buona. E quella lì sì.
Sì.
Poi
Più?
sì. Quella là, quelle là.
Вон, повыше,
Quelle
большой.
due, sì, quelle due. Quella
Ah.
e quella su. Quella. Le altre sono poco mature.
Ah?
Poco mature. No, io no, già
Ah,
mangiato.
ok.
Grazie.
Gelato. Ok. Grazie mille.
Buon
Grazie.
appetito. Ciao.
This is the view from my window, and I just want to try this this something. I actually don't know what it is. Probably like apricots, but we'll see. So let me just grab the juiciest one. I think this one is already like, there's almost malt on this one. I think it's good. Alright, so let me try this one. Wow, yeah, this is apricots. It's good. I think it's a little bit overripe. It's almost rotten, to be honest. So let me try another one. This is good. And you know, now I don't think it's apricot anymore. It's something different. Wow, I don't know what is it. If you know the name of this fruit, just write down in the comments, because I have no idea what is it.